Welcome to the world of web development. This is a dynamic and ever-changing field that offers endless opportunities for creativity and innovation. Web development is an exciting field. It combines technical skills with creative problem-solving, making it a perfect career for those who love to build and create. It's constantly evolving, which makes it a challenging and rewarding career choice. New technologies and frameworks are always emerging, keeping the work fresh and engaging. As a web developer, you have the power to bring ideas to life on the internet. Whether it's a personal blog, an e-commerce site, or a social media platform, your skills can make it happen. You can build everything from simple websites to complex web applications. The possibilities are endless. Imagine creating a platform that connects people across the globe or a tool that makes everyday tasks easier. This guide will help you become a web developer in 2024. We'll provide you with the knowledge and resources you need to succeed in this field. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced concepts. You'll learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. We'll also dive into frameworks and libraries that can enhance your development process. We'll also discuss how to find your first job. From building a portfolio to acing interviews, we'll guide you through the steps to land your dream job in web development. Are you ready? Let's dive in. The journey to becoming a web developer is filled with learning and growth. Embrace the challenges and enjoy the process. This is an exciting time to join the world of web development. The industry is booming, and there's a high demand for skilled developers. The demand for skilled developers is higher than ever. Companies are constantly looking for talented individuals who can bring their digital visions to life. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion for technology into a successful career. Let's get started. Your journey to becoming a web developer begins now. Embrace the learning, stay curious, and keep building. The world of web development is waiting for you. The world of
Mastering the fundamentals HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These three technologies form the backbone of web development and are essential for creating any website or web application. Every website you see is built with a few core technologies. Without these, the web as we know it wouldn't exist. These are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Each plays a unique and crucial role in the development process. Think of them as the building blocks of the web. Just like a house needs a foundation, walls, and a roof, a website needs these three technologies to function properly. HTML is the foundation of a web page. It provides the basic structure and content, much like the skeleton of a building. It gives the page its structure and content. Without HTML, there would be no way to display text, images, or other elements on a web page. CSS is used to style the page. It adds the visual flair and design elements that make a website attractive and user-friendly. It controls things like colors, fonts, and layout. With CSS, you can transform a plain HTML document into a visually appealing masterpiece. JavaScript adds interactivity to websites. It allows users to interact with the page, making it more dynamic and engaging. It makes websites dynamic and engaging. From simple animations to complex web applications, JavaScript brings life to the web. Learning these three languages is essential for any aspiring web developer. They are the foundation upon which all web development skills are built. There are tons of online resources available. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance your skills, the internet is full of tutorials, courses, and documentation. You can find interactive tutorials, courses, and documentation. These resources can guide you through the learning process step by step. Start with the basics and gradually build your knowledge. Don't rush. Take the time to understand each concept thoroughly. Practice writing code and experimenting with different techniques. The more you practice, the more proficient you'll become. Building small projects can help solidify your understanding and give you practical experience.
leveling up your skills, frameworks, backend, and more. Once you have a solid grasp of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can start exploring more advanced concepts. Web development frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js can help you build complex web applications more efficiently. Backend development involves working with servers, databases, and APIs. It's the behind-the-scenes logic that powers many websites and applications. Learning a server-side language like Python, Java, or Node.js will open up even more possibilities. Version control systems like Git are essential for collaborating with other developers and keeping track of your code changes. These skills might seem daunting at first, but don't worry, there are plenty of resources available to help you learn.
Practice makes perfect building real-world projects. The best way to learn web development is by doing. Start building your own projects as soon as possible. This will help you solidify your skills. It will also give you something to showcase to potential employers. Think about your interests and passions. Can you build a website about something you love? Maybe a blog about your favorite hobby or a web app for a local business. The possibilities are limitless. Another great way to practice is by participating in online coding challenges. Platforms like Code Wars and HackerRank offer a variety of challenges. These challenges can help improve your problem-solving skills. Section 5. Showcasing your expertise, crafting a stellar portfolio. A portfolio is essential for any web developer. It's a collection of your best work. It showcases your skills to potential employers. Your portfolio should include a variety of projects that demonstrate your skills. Your portfolio website should be well designed and easy to navigate. Each project should have a dedicated page with a description, screenshots, and links to the live site and code repository. Don't be afraid to highlight your personality and creativity in your portfolio. Let your passion for web development shine through. A well-crafted portfolio can be your ticket to landing your dream job. Section 6. Diving into the job market, freelancing and beyond. Once you have a solid portfolio, you can start looking for job opportunities. Freelancing is a great way to gain experience and build your network. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients. Web development agencies often hire junior developers. These agencies offer a great opportunity to work on a variety of projects. You can gain valuable experience. Startups are another great option. They often offer a fast-paced and exciting work environment. Networking is crucial in the tech industry. Attend industry events, meetups and conferences. Connect with other developers and learn about new opportunities. Section 7. The rewards of a web development career. A career in web development can be both challenging and rewarding. It offers a unique blend of creativity and technical skills, allowing you to build and shape the digital world. You'll have the opportunity to work on exciting projects, solve complex problems, and constantly learn new technologies. The field is ever-evolving, which means there's always something new to master, keeping your job fresh and engaging. You'll be creating things that people use every day, from websites to mobile apps. Your work will be an integral part of people's daily lives, making their tasks easier and more enjoyable. The tech industry is known for its competitive salaries and benefits. Web developers are in high demand, and companies are willing to offer attractive compensation packages to secure top talent. As you gain experience, you can advance your career and take on more responsibility. There are numerous paths you can take, whether it's moving into management, specializing in a particular technology, or becoming a consultant. You could become a senior developer, a team lead, or even start your own company. The entrepreneurial opportunities in web development are vast, allowing you to turn your innovative ideas into successful businesses. But the most rewarding part of being a web developer is the ability to turn your ideas into reality. You have the power to create something from nothing. Bringing your vision to life on the screen, you'll be using your skills to make a real impact on the world. Whether it's developing a platform that connects people, creating tools that improve productivity, or building applications that solve real-world problems, your work can make a significant difference. Collaboration is another key aspect of a web development career. You'll often work with designers, product managers, and other developers, fostering a team environment that encourages creativity and innovation. Additionally, the web development community is vibrant and supportive. Attending conferences, participating in online forums, and joining local meetups can help you stay connected, learn from others, and grow your professional network. Many web development roles also offer flexibility, allowing for a better work-life balance. Remote work opportunities are common, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere and manage your own schedule. Ultimately, a career in web development is not just about the technical skills, but also about the satisfaction of seeing your hard work come to fruition and knowing that you are contributing to the digital landscape in meaningful ways. Section 8. The importance of continuous learning. The world of web development is constantly changing. New technologies and frameworks emerge all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, it's crucial to embrace continuous learning, make time for professional development, read industry blogs, listen to podcasts and attend webinars, explore new programming languages, frameworks and tools. The more you learn, the more valuable you'll become as a developer. Don't be afraid to experiment and step outside of your comfort zone. The more you push yourself, the more you'll grow as a developer. Section 9. Staying motivated on your coding journey. Learning to code can be challenging, especially at first. There will be times when you feel stuck, frustrated, or overwhelmed. The key is to stay motivated and persistent. Set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate your accomplishments. Break down large projects into smaller, more manageable tasks. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. There's a large and supportive community of developers online who are always willing to lend a hand. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Focus on the excitement and possibilities that web development offers. Section 10. Embracing the collaborative spirit of web development. Web development is rarely a solitary pursuit. Most projects involve working with designers, project managers, and other developers. Embrace the collaborative nature of this field. Learn how to communicate effectively with your team members. Be open to feedback and willing to compromise. Working together will help you create better products and learn from each other's experiences. Collaboration is not only about working with others on a team, it's also about being part of the larger web development community. Share your knowledge, help others, and contribute to open source projects. Section 11. Giving back to the community open source contributions. Contributing to open source projects is a great way to give back to the community. It's also a fantastic way to improve your coding skills. Open source projects are freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. Find a project that interests you and start by fixing small bugs or adding new features. You'll gain valuable experience working with real-world code bases and collaborating with other developers. Your contributions will be appreciated by the community. You'll be making a real impact on the software that powers the web. Section 12. Your future as a web developer. A world of opportunities awaits. Congratulations, you've reached the end of this guide. You're well on your way to becoming a web developer. Remember that the journey doesn't end here. This is just the beginning. The world of web development is full of exciting opportunities. Embrace the challenges, never stop learning, and most importantly, have fun along the way. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Now, go out there and start building the future of the web.